before Your Honor today, charged with felony pay supervision fee, felony pay restitution, felony fraud by instruction of supervising agent, and the victim of the case is here, Your Honor, would like to address the court at the appropriate time.
Sure. Mr. Thompson, you represent Ms. Phillips?
I do, Your Honor.
Ms. Phillips, you heard what the agent has told me. Do you admit that?
Yes.
All right. Mr. Thompson?
Your Honor, the recommendation of probation is to terminate probation and issue a civil judgment. And that's what we would ask to do. We were willing to do this with consent order, but I'm out to the television stations here, and I'm going to use words about that, but apparently both are here to keep what they can off the bonds. And we just asked to go on the recommendation of terminate. She's doing a life sentence, she'll never get out of prison.
Yes, sir. We have to hear from you. But you state your name first, this lady.
David Roberts.
Yes, sir.
My father was the man that she murdered. She was convicted on September the 5th, I think it was. What I wanted to bring your attention was, she currently still owes, I consider my dad, $1,087.46. The thing about this is, she was stealing this money from my father. And the thing that's always been very troubling to me was after my father's murder, I got a phone call from a gentleman who lived in apartment 3, which is what this is all about, the building of my father, asking where to pay his rent. And I said, well, I've got an empty apartment 3. He said, that's where I live. Really? I said, yeah. I said, yeah, all these receipts where he'd been paying her, but she had not given money to my father. So then, he told me that she had called him, he called me on February 17th, which was my father's murder on February 4th. Then on February 16th, which is 12 days after his murder, she had called trying to still collect rent money from my father after she murdered him. So, I just want to let you be aware of that. What I'm asking for today is they're asking for a civil judgment. So I'd like to ask for, in addition to civil judgment, any financial gain she may derive from any source between now and her death would be used to pay this restitution to my dad. If that's possible.
Say that to me again.
If there's any way, if there's any potential revenue she could derive from any source, right now till she dies, that money be used to repay the $1,087.46 she owes our father.
I don't think I can order that. I think it may be a civil matter.
Okay.
And I'm sorry for your loss, but I think the only thing I can do today is actually what the state has asked me to do, which is terminate it to a civil judgment, and then if she has any financial assets, you could then levy against them. I can do that.
Okay.
All right. All right. Come in order.
Thank you, Judge.
What was it like to see her today, to see Julia today?
Well, my main thought was it will more than likely be the last time I ever see her, was actually more what I was thinking about.
The last time you'll ever see her,
Yes.
and your emotion in seeing her shackled and in the prison uniform that she'll wear for the rest of her life?
That's where she needs to be. She's a convicted murderer, and she's where she needs to be. That's in prison until she dies.
Ronnie, what was your impression today?
I wanted to see what she looked like, and I wanted to see if she showed any remorse for stealing from our father after she murdered him. And she showed no remorse, just like she didn't in court. So she will wear this prison garb until she dies, and then she'll burn in hell for the rest of eternity.